This is where the fun begins.
Skibidi Sigma!
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! 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 Aw.
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
Excuse me.
Welcome to McDonald's. Do you want a fucking cheeseburger?
Please. I just want to see my wife again.
Chicken nuggets.
Like this.
I don't feel so good. Why are all my limbs slack? Why can't I move my eyes? Oh, why can't I move my mouth? Is this an internal dialogue? I can't see the end of the horizon. Hatsune Miku! Is that you?
The bath! Hey, you guys, I'm just gonna take a bath.
I'm going to kill you and then kill you again.
Headshot. Sniping's a good job, mate. It's challenging work, out of doors. I guarantee you'll not go hungry, because at the end of the day, long as there's two people left on the planet, someone is going to want someone dead. Not a crazed gunman, Dad. I'm an assassin. Well, the difference being one has a job and the other's mental sickness. I'll be honest with you. My parents do not care for it. I think his mate saw me. Yes, he did. Feelings? Look, mate, you know who has a lot of feelings? Blokes who bludgeon their wife to death with a golf trophy. Professionals have standards. Be polite. Be efficient. Have a plan to kill everyone you meet. Dad, put Mum on a phone. Piss time.
It is so tiny!
A surprise, to be sure, but a welcome one.
Billions and billions and trillions!
Shadow, you're an asshole, man. You are what you eat, Sonic.
Something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Right.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
I don't want to see that either.
Welcome to Tilted Towers. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm part lizard. Nice to yoroshiku onegaishimasu, as they say in Nippon. Welcome to my house. As you can see, I've knocked over many chairs because I get so tilted at the towers.
This isn't really a tilted or a tower.
Well, you see, it's a gamer pad. Not many girls come in here because I get friend zoned so frequently. But that's okay.
I'd like to be in the friend zone. I'd like friends.
It's not as pleasant as you'd think. They don't treat you like a friend. They treat you like an item. Sometimes I wish I could be more than just an accessory to these women. But unfortunately, as a gamer, I don't get respect.
Well, I'm not a gamer, so maybe they'll respect me.
That just makes you a beta cuck. That's the difference between you and I, Silver the Hedgehog. I'm a alpha gamer. Anyway, where we dropping, boys?
Okay, kids, here's your Sigma Meal Skibbity Slicers!
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
Billions upon billions of organisms reside on this tiny planet, each meticulously designed to fulfill their given purpose. Yet you barely reach the cusp of mediocrity. You can't even handle a simple satellite launch procedure. Such incompetence. It's not rocket science. I mean, it is, but... Can someone fetch me some fresh Mr. Dodo ice pops? This one's all melted. Great. What else could possibly go wrong today?
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power!
What the fuck? Is that Shadow's dick? Now this is a knife. Stab, stab, stab. Come to sniper, my little beauty.
Move! No!
In my medical opinion, that
Heavy is dead!
seduce me.
You.
Seduce me.
What? Spy, I ain't gonna
Seduce me!
I ain't climbing that.
Are you sure this will work?
I have no idea!
Are you ready? Yeah! I don't care what universe you're from. That guy hurt.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Now your chance to be a big shot. Be a big bandit shot. Now your chance to be a big shot. Be a big shot. Now your chance to be a big shot. Be a big bandit shot. Now your chance to be a big shot. Be a big Now your chance, 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 be a big Now your chance, 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 now your
I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
Hey there, Nikki! It's time to freaky with my dicky! Ah!
You know I had chlamydia.
I'm going to commit various war crimes. I'll be wanted in at least 13 different countries.
A war cry.
Oh, a war cry? I'm going to commit various unforgivable war crimes. I'll be wanted in every country.
Close enough.
Mustard? How about mustard gas? Geneva Convention, more like Geneva Suggestion. Come, my child soldier.
Children have been going missing. It could be gorilla of the woods.
There's a wild gorilla on the loose.
I'm not saying gorilla, I'm saying grilla.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Why is it which? We don't really matter. All of this is just driving me insane. All of these rules are in mad. I don't know why. Sometimes I die inside the ball. Every other time I am invincible and get to farm my super all the way to the top. Sometimes I don't know why. I am killed by a black and yellow stripe boy. I hate this. This has been 50 minutes of the same old shit.